other ones.
Take a look at this local woman. She traveled overseas to protect America, serving 7 years in the Army. But she says she faced some big challenges when she came back home. Army veteran Heather Sides had nowhere to live, no job, and no car.
Anchor Allison Lottis is live in the studio with the incredible story of how she turned her life around and the big boost that she got today. Allison?
Scott and Erica, one thing is certain about Heather Sides. She overcomes challenges. She's now training to be a retail manager, but her old truck broke down, making it harder to get to work until today.
Not every homeless person is someone that was just irresponsible with their life and their time.
Heather Sides is an Army veteran who became homeless when she returned from service overseas. With her support dog, Nana, by her side and help from Goodwill Industries, Sides fought through depression and anxiety to find housing and a job.
The buses sometimes are not reliable.
Getting to work has been hard until today. Sides received her own set of wheels. Caliber Collision and Allstate teamed up to present Sides with this refurbished ride.
3, 2, 1. There you are, Miss Heather.
I think it'll make a huge impact. You know, she's done a lot for our country, and I think she will continue to help others to help them move forward in life.
Now I can make sure that I'm on time. I can get more hours.
Even the trunk was packed full of treats and toys for Nana. Is this stuff for you? Sides is grateful for the community's support. Starting the engine to her new SUV is the start of a great future.
Without the people reaching out their hands to me, I couldn't have done it by myself. But it actually saved my life and my emotional support animal's life.
That SUV will help Sides get to classes so she can earn her college degree. Caliber Collision says they've given away 200 refurbished rides nationwide and 4 vehicles in Charlotte in the past 2 years.